Ever wondered how these super cute keychains are made? Today I'll show you how. First, bend a pipe cleaner into an oval to make the face. Then weave the pipe cleaner across until the face is completely filled. Keep weaving until the entire face is covered. Make 3 faces like this. Roll pipe cleaners into 6 small ears. Glue them in place. Next, make the hair by rolling a few small loops. Glue 6 small loops from bottom to top. The first hairstyle is finished. For the second hairstyle, do the same but use 5 loops from bottom to top. For the third style, glue on 2 small loops and 1 larger loop like this. Fold a yellow pipe cleaner like this to make 2 braids. Then glue them onto the first face. For the second face, bend a pipe cleaner into an N shape to create pigtails. Glue the bangs along one side of the face. Use a pink pipe cleaner to make 2 pigtails and glue them on. For the third style, make a braid on just one side. This hairstyle has a soft and elegant look. To make everything look prettier and more detailed, add a few decorative accessories. Now glue on the eyes. Add a little blush for an extra cute touch. Do the same for the second face, adding eyes and your favorite decorations. Repeat for the first face, and feel free to decorate it in your own style. Attach the keychain ring, and you're done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to share it with your bestie. And follow for more DIY ideas. See you next time.